In this video, we're going to be talking about how the judges evaluate a single trick score. How this is different from runs is that in the single trick section, there is a prefixed, we'll call it a best possible scenario score that you can get for a trick. And all of the things that come into play here are how well you did the trick. Did you land with speed? Did you lock in? Did you grind the entire length of the obstacle that you're skating? Which obstacle you did the trick on comes into play a lot, and that greatly affects your score. That being said, you don't always have to skate the biggest obstacle on the course to get a good trick. There are a lot of scenarios where a rider can do a very technically difficult trick on a smaller obstacle and still get a competitive score. So don't feel like you always need to hit the biggest obstacle on the course to put up a good number on the board. Another thing that judges like to see is the progression of skateboarding. There's events that happen where we see skateboarders that are pushing the boundaries of skateboarding and they're landing tricks that have never been done before. Every time the judges see a trick that's never been landed before, of course that's going to get them excited. And of course you should expect to see a higher than normal score for that because that's what we like to see. We like to move skateboarding into a progressive direction. We will try and stay as consistent as possible regarding the trick hierarchy, meaning the trick difficulty. That hierarchy should remain the same, but the trick scores will always be dynamic.